Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Your Stories and Dreams. Got you back with your favorite host, Gerard Metul Mantobing, and today the topics we're discussing about today is about the student program pharmacy. As you know, pharmacy is a student program that teach you about medicine in the whole wide world. So, without further ado, let us welcome our guest star, the student from pharmacy. Hello.
Hi, my name is Marta Angelia Prati Sibrian. Thanks for having us.
Okay,
My
well,
name
thank you,
is
Marta.
Bilkis Alfarida. You can call me Bilkis.
Okay, thank you for your word, Bilkis. And
And I'm Siti Tanjung.
okay, thank you. So, as you know, we've welcomed you to answer us a few of our questions about the pharmacy. So, without further ado, let's begin with the first question. Question number one. Why did you choose to study in pharmacy?
Honestly, I choose pharmacy because I've always been curious about medicine. Every time someone in family was sick, I was the kid who asked, "What pill is that? What pill is that? How does it work?" So here I am trying to understand how drugs can save lives.
Oh, what an interesting answer. Next.
Mine is a bit funny. I actually wanted to be a doctor at first, but then I realized that I like the behind the scenes science, even more drug formulation, research, all the chemistry. Pharmacy felt like the perfect match.
Oh, that's a different answer. Okay, next.
For me, it was simple. I wanted a profession where I could help people, but I also explored science. Pharmacy gave me both. Plus, I love wearing lab coats. It makes me feel smart.
It, you both three are from a student of pharmacy, and yet you gave us a different answers. Next question. Question number two. Is there any struggles when you're studying in pharmacy? Bilkis?
No kidding. The first time I saw organic chemistry, I thought my soul left my body.
Okay, next, Martha.
Same. And don't forget pharmacology. So many drugs name. Sometimes I feel like my brain needs its own prescription.
Okay, and lastly, Swasti.
Like lab session, sure, they're tiring, but they're also the most memorable.
So, lastly, our last question, number three. What is your future dreams after graduate from pharmacy? Bilkis?
I'm aiming to be a clinical pharmacy. I want to work directly with patients, help them understand their medicine, and make sure they're safe.
Okay, next, Martha.
I want to work in the pharmaceutical industry, maybe in R&D. I want to create something impactful, like new drug formulation.
Okay, and then lastly, Swasti.
And my dream is to become a lecturer. I want to teach future pharmacy students and inspire them, just like my lecturer inspired me.
Okay, that's is a nice answer to all these three questions. Unfortunately, that is only for today's episode of Your Stories and Dreams. Okay, that's today podcast for our Your Stories and Dreams with your host Gerard Mitchell Tobing. Thank you for joining us and see you real soon in the next episode. Bye bye.